Good morning, students. Good morning, students. So, in previous class, in last video, we are discussing about complex number. Define complex number, then conjugate of complex number, then modulus of complex number. Based on conjugate and modulus, we conclude that CET question prove that z into z conjugate is equal to modulus of z to the power of 2. Then geometrical representation of complex number. Remember, now as you know that every complex number, say z is equal to x plus iy, can be represented in the form r into bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. This form is known as polar form of complex number or trigonometric form of complex number. Now here R is called, what is R? R is called modulus of complex number, and the value of theta, angle theta, is called amplitude of complex number, denoted by amplitude of z is equal to theta. Modulus of z is equal to R, amplitude of z is equal to theta. Nodri iveredu angle same ive. Okay. Now note that, remember that amplitude chart. So here cos, sin, then to find the amplitude. How to calculate amplitude? Now here, now both the values are positive sign. Suppose cos is positive angle, sin is positive angle. Idu positive angle, idu positive angle ittu andre, say cos angle is plus 30 degree, sin angle is also plus 30 degree, then amplitude theta is equal to plus 30 degree, in general alpha, plus alpha. Okay, suppose cos is positive angle iddu, sin is negative angle. Say for example, cos angle is plus 30 degree, sin angle minus 30 degree to andre. So amplitude is, remember, minus alpha, because in which quadrant cos is positive, sin is negative? Fourth quadrant. So we take fourth quadrant is rotation is clockwise direction, angle is decreases, theta is equal to minus alpha. Nodri cos angle plus 30 degree, sin angle minus 30 degree to andre amplitude ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? minus 30 degree. Remember, that is most important. Suppose cos is negative angle, sin is positive angle. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ cos negative angle ಇದ್ದು sin positive angle ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, say for example cos is minus 30 degree, sin is plus 30 degree, then amplitude is theta is equal to, how to calculate? In which quadrant cos is negative, sin is positive? Second quadrant. We write second quadrant 180 minus, in general, alpha. Alpha is angle. Remember that amplitude value. Okay. Now suppose both the values are negative sign. Cos is negative angle, sin is negative angle. Say for example minus 30 degree, minus 30 degree. Then we take amplitude is minus of 180 minus alpha. Of course, cos and sin both are negative sign. In which quadrant both are negative? Third quadrant. Suppose if you take third quadrant, see what happens? 180 plus alpha. But 180 plus alpha is in third quadrant. Of course, tan and cot positive, cos and sin negative. But if you take 180 plus alpha, what happens? You know that the sum of angles must be 180 degree. ಏನೇ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 180 ಒಳಗೆ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. So that's why by taking amplitude is minus of 180 minus alpha. ಇದು important chart ಇದು. Remember, both the ratios are positive angle, amplitude is plus alpha. One is positive angle, another one is negative angle, amplitude is minus alpha. Cos is negative angle, sin is positive angle, amplitude is 180 minus alpha. Both the values are negative angles. Remember, amplitude is minus of 180 minus alpha. Remember that chart. So every complex number x plus iy can be represented in the form r into bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. This form is known as polar form of complex number. Here r is called modulus of complex number, and the value of theta satisfying the complex number, that angle theta is known as amplitude of complex number, which is denoted by mod z is equal to r and amplitude of z is equal to theta. Amplitude calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, now based on the definition of complex number, conjugate of complex number, modulus of complex number, and geometrical representation of complex number. By using those things to solve the problems, very simple problems. Okay, look here. Now here the problem. Express the following in the form a plus ib. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ a plus ib ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಥವಾ x plus iy ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, express the following in the form a plus ib. Now first problem, minus 5i into 1 by 8 into i. ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಯಾಟಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? a plus ib. How to convert? Look here, that is equal to minus 5 into 1 5 divided by 8 I into I square, correct? That is equal to minus 5 by 8. I value, you know what is I value? Root of minus 1. Hola, what about I square? Root cancel, that is minus 1, right? So minus into minus, 5 by 8. That 5 by 8 can be written as, therefore z is equal to 5 by 8 can be written as, we can write 5 by 8 plus I into 0. Very good. Now clearly it is in the form. What form we convert it? It is in the form a plus ib. A value 5 by 8, b value 0. Clear, students? Oh, second problem. Second problem is nodi. Express minus I into 2i into minus 1 by 8i whole power 3. Okay, now simplify. Minus into minus plus, correct? Minus into minus plus, or if you take minus sign, write as it is 2i into I, 2i square. Okay, from those two, 2i square into minus 1 cube minus 1, right? Divided by 8 cube. 8 8s are 64. 64 8s are 51, that is 512 into I, right? That is minus 2. I square value, you know, minus 1, because I value root minus 1. I square root cancel, minus 1 into minus 1 by 512. I cube can be written as I square into I. Very good, oh, so minus into minus plus 2 into minus 1 by 512. I square value minus 1 into I as it is. I square value is minus 1. That is 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. That is remainder is 1 11. 2 5s are 2 6s are. Minus into minus plus I divided by 256. Right? Now write in the form of a plus ib. I divided by 256 can be written as 0 plus 1 by 256 into I. Nodi I by 256 and ee tara baribodala. 1 by 256 into I is nothing but I by 256. Now clearly it is in the form. Yav form we convert aayithu idu? It is in the form a plus ib. What is a value? 0. B value 1 by 256. Okay. Now similarly third problem. Nodi observe ಮಾಡಿ third problem ಏನಿದೆ? 5i into minus 3 by 5i. Simple question. Now convert given data in the form of a plus ib. Now here 5 cancel. Minus 3i into I square. That is minus 3. I square value, you know what is that? Minus 1. Minus into minus plus 3. Therefore z is equal to 3 can be written as, we can write 3 plus I into 0. Clearly it is in the form. Yeah, form we convert I zero. It is in the form a plus ib. A value 3, b value 0. A plus ib form convert. Okay. Then fourth problem. I power 9 plus I power 90. Express given data in the form of a plus ib. That is equal to I power 9 can be written as, we can write I cube whole power 3 by using laws of indices, isn't it? Plus I power 19 can be written as I power 3 whole power 6. into I power 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. I power 3 whole power 6, a power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n, 3 into 6 18, ನಮಗೆ 19 ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, into I power 1, bases are same, I power 18 into I power 1, 18 plus 1 19, right? Now that is equal to, now I cube is same as I square into I, right? But the value of I square is minus 1 into I, minus 1 into I, minus I, so that this is minus I whole power 3. Again I cube is minus I whole power 6 into I power 1, right? That is equal to minus, again I cube value is minus I plus minus I power 6, power ಏನಿದೆ 6 ಇದೆ, 6 is even number, negative value to the power of even number is positive, plus I power 6 into I, right? That is minus into minus plus I power 6, I power 6 can be written as I cube into I cube. Laws of indices, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n, 3 plus 3 6 ಅನ್ನು ಈ ತರ ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. But the value of I cube is minus I, again I cube is minus I, minus into minus plus I square, so I power 6 value is I square into I, correct? I power 6 is equal to minus into minus plus I square into I. Then further simplify, that is equal to I plus I square value minus 1 into I plus into minus minus I minus I 0. Therefore z is equal to n ಬಂತು 0, 0 can be written as 0 plus I into 0. Clearly it is in the form, ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಿದು, it is in the form a plus ib, correct? A plus ib, okay. Then problem number 5th problem ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ, I power minus 39, express I power minus 39 in the form of a plus ib. How to split it? I power minus 39 can be written as I power 2 whole power minus 19 into I power 1. ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ. I power minus 39 is same as I power 2 whole power minus 19, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? I power minus 38 ಆಯ್ತು, into I power minus 1, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n, I power m into n, 2 into minus 19 minus 38 into I power minus 1. Bases are same. Apply laws of indices. A power m into a power n, a power m plus n, m value minus 38 plus n value minus 1, minus 38 minus 1, minus 39, right? That is equal to, but the value of I square, minus 1 whole power minus 19 into I power minus 1, that is equal to, now as you know that meaning of a power minus m, ಈ minus 1 a ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, meaning of a power minus m is equal to, what is the formula? 1 by a power m. Here 1 by a value minus 1 power 19 into meaning of I power minus 1 is 1 upon I, right? So 1 into 1 1 divided by minus 1 power 19. Observe the power. Power 19 is odd number. That is minus 1 into 1 by I. That is 1 into 1 1 divided by minus I. Is it in the form a plus ib? No. Further simplify. Rationalize the denominator. What is its conjugate of denominator? Plus I divided by plus I. Either rationalize ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ conjugate of minus I is plus I divided by plus I. That is 1 into I divided by minus I square, right? So I divided by minus I square value is minus 1. Okay. Then further simplify. That is equal to I divided by minus into minus plus 1 Therefore, z is equal to I divided by 1 is nothing but I. Therefore, z is equal to I can be written as 0 plus of 1 into I. 1 into I is I plus 0 become I. Clearly, it is in the form. Nodri ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಟೈಪ್ ಇದು. It is in the form a plus ib. ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? Okay. Then next one is sixth one. Nodri ಏನಿದೆ sixth one. 3 into bracket 7 plus I into 7 plus I into bracket 7 plus I into 7. Express the given data in the form of a plus ib. Now simplify. That is equal to. Now multiply. 3 sevens are 21 plus I into 3 sevens are 21. Right? Then I into 7, 7I plus I into I square into 7. Just remove the bracket. 3 into 7, 21. 3 into 7, 21 into I into 7, 7I. Then I into I square into 7. Simplify. 21 plus 21I plus 7I plus I square value minus 1 into 7. Okay? Now that is equal to. Now 21 plus 21I plus 7I, how much? 28I plus into minus 7. 21 minus 7, 14 plus 28I. Correct? Now clearly it is in the form. Now form we convert it. It is in the form a plus ib. What is a value? 14, b value 28. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? Then similarly seventh problem. ನೋಡಿ seventh problem ಏನಿದೆ? Seventh problem. 1 minus I minus of minus 1 plus 6I. Write in the form of a plus ib. Simplify. 1 minus I minus into minus plus 1 minus into plus minus 6I. That is equal to 1 plus 1 2 minus I minus 6I. How much? Minus 7I. Therefore, z is equal to 2 minus 7 can be written as plus of I into minus 7 plus into minus minus. Clearly it is in the form. Clearly it is in the form a plus ib. What is a value? A value 2, b value minus 7. Okay. Then next question is eighth one. Express 1 upon 5 plus I into 2 by 5 minus 4 plus I into 5 by 2. Simplify. That equals 1 by 5 plus I into 2 by 5. Remove that bracket. Minus 4 minus into plus minus I into 5 by 2. Rearrange. Take real part one side, imaginary part another side. 1 by 5 minus 4. This is one part, real part. Then among those two, what is common? I common plus I common. I common ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ 2 by 5 minus 5 by 2. Right? Then simplify. Take the LCM. LCM is 5. 1 5s are 5 4s are 20. 1 minus 20 minus 19 by 5 plus I into LCM is here. LCM of 5 and 2 is 10. 5 2s are 2 5s are 2 2s are 4. 5 5s are 25. 4 minus 25 minus 21. Clearly it is in the form. It is in the form a plus ib. Clear? Okay. Next one is problem number 9. plus 4 plus I into 1 by 3 minus 4 by 3 plus I in the form A plus IB. Simplify 1 by 3 plus I into 7 by 3 plus 4 plus I into 1 by 3. Remove that bracket. Minus into minus plus 4 by 3 minus into plus minus I. Equating real and imaginary part. Real part one side toward 1 by 3. Next plus 4. Next real part yavudu 4 by 3. Right? These are real part. Then imaginary part is I into 7 by 3, I into 1 by 3 minus I. Among these three, what is common? I common. I common telugre 7 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1. Then simplify. In first part, take the LCM. In first term, what is the LCM? LCM of 3 1 3 is 3. 3 ones are 1 3s are 3 ones. So that 1 ones are 1. 4 3s are 12 plus 4 divided by 3. Okay. Plus I into, here take the LCM. LCM is 3. 3 ones are 1 3s are. 7 plus 1 minus 3. That is 12 plus 1 13. 13 plus 4 17 by 3 plus I into 7 plus 1 8. 8 minus 3 5 by 3. Therefore, clearly it is in the form. A form A plus IB. What is A value? 17 by 3. B value is 5 by 3. Okay. Then last one is 10th one. Express 1 by 3 plus 3I to the power of 2. How to solve? Put 1 by 3 is equal to A, 3I is equal to B. It is in the form A plus B whole power 3. Correct? You know the formula. What is A plus B whole power 3? AQ plus BQ plus 3AB into bracket A plus B. Or we can write AQ plus BQ plus 3A square B plus 3AB, right? Simplify, expand it. AQ, what is A? 1 by 3 whole power. BQ, 3I whole power. Plus 3AB, 3A value 1 by 3, B value 3I into bracket A plus B. A value 1 by 3, B value 3I. AQ plus BQ plus 3AB into bracket A plus B. Right? Then simplify. 1 cube is 1. 3 cube, how much? 27. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Correct? Then 3 cube, 27. Expand it. I power plus 3 cancel. Right? 3I into bracket 1 by 3 plus 3I. Right? Then simplify. That is equal to 1 by 27 plus 27 I cube. I cube is same as we can write I square into I. I square into I is nothing but I cube. Right? Plus, remove that bracket. 3I into 1 by 3. 3 cancel. I. Plus 3 into 3. 9. I into I square, right? That equals 1 by 27 plus 27 I square value minus 1 into I plus 9 I square value minus 1. That equals 1 by 27 plus into minus 27 I plus 1 I plus into minus 9. Right? Rearrange 1 by 27 minus 9 real part, then minus 27I plus 1I. How much? Minus 26I. Now take the LCM. LCM of these two is 27. 27 ones are 127. How much? 1 ones are 1 minus 27 nines are 63, 6, 18 plus 6, 243, right? Minus 26 into I. That is equal to 1 minus 243 minus 242 divided by 27 minus 26 I can be written as plus I into minus 26. Clearly it is in the form. Yeah, form it is in the form A plus IB. What is A value? Minus 242 by 27. B value minus 26. Clear students? Clean ಆಗಿ ಇವನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2-3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ. Yes, two more problems. Express the following in the form A plus IB. Problem number 11. ಏನಿದೆ? 3 plus I into root 5 into 3 minus I into root 5 divided by root 3 plus root 2 into I minus root 3 minus I into root 2. Convert given data in the form of A plus I. That is equal to. Observe the numerator. Numerator observe ಮಾಡಿ. Put 3 is equal to A. Okay. I root 5 call it as B. In between these two sign is plus. Here those two numbers are same. This is A, that is B. In between these two A minus B. Now it is in the form A plus B into A minus B. Correct? Now you know the formula. What is the formula for A plus B into A minus B? You know what is that? A square minus B square. Right? What is A? A value 3 power 2 minus B square. B value I root 5 to the power of 2. Right? Divided by root 3 plus root 2I minus root 3. Remove that bracket. Minus root 3. Minus into minus plus I root 2 or root 2 into I. Right? Plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel. That is equal to 3 square 9 minus expand I square. Right? Into root 5 square. Root 5 1 square ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? Divided by 1 root 2I plus 1 root 2I. Totally 2 times root 2I. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 1 root 2I plus 1 root 2I. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದು root 2? 2 ಅದು. So that 2 times root 2 into I. Okay. That is equal to 9 minus I square value minus 1 into 5 divided by 2 root 2 into I. Right? Then simplify. That equals 9 minus into minus plus 5 divided by 2 into root 2I. 9 plus 5 14 divided by 2 into root 2I. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. That is 7 divided by root 2 into I. Correct? 9 plus 5 14. 14 divided by 2 root 2I. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. Now therefore Z is equal to 7 by root 2I can be written as, we can write 0 plus I into 7 by root 2. ಬರಿಬೋದಲ್ಲ? Clearly it is in the form. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಿದು? It is in the form A plus IB. It is in the form A plus IB. What is A value? 0. B value? 7 by root 2. Okay. Then one more problem. What is that? Express the given data 5 plus root 2I divided by 1 minus root 2I in the form A plus IB. Given data that is equal to 5 plus root 2I divided by 1 minus root 2I. Okay. Now rationalize the denominator. ಛೇದನವನ್ನು ಅಕರ್ಣೀಕರಿಸಿ. ಕಲ್ತಿರಿ ನೀವು 10th standard. Now what is conjugate of this complex number is 1 plus root 2I. Correct? Divided by 1 plus root 2I. Rationalize the denominator part. Then simplify. Multiply 5 into 1 5 plus 5 into root 2, 5 root 2 I. Root 2 I into 1, root 2 I. Plus root 2 into root 2, root 2 into root 2, root 4. Root 4 value is 2. I into I square. Okay, multiply ಮಾಡಿ 5 into 1, 5. 5 into root 2I, 5 root 2I. Right? Root 2I into 1, root 2I. Plus root 2 into root 2, root 4. Root 4 value 2. I into I square. Divided by, in the denominator, observe it, it is in the form a minus b into a plus b form. As you know the formula, a minus b into a plus b formula, a square minus b square, that is 1 square minus b square root 2I to the power of 2. A value 1, b value root 2I. So it is in the form a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. Simplify 5 plus 5 root 2I plus 1 root 2I. Totally how many times root 2I? 6 times root 2I. Correct? Plus 2 I square value minus 1 divided by 1 square 1 minus root 2 square is 2 into I square. So 5 plus 6 root 2I plus into minus 2 divided by 1 minus 2 I square value minus 1. Right? Simplify 5 minus 2, 3 plus 6 root 2I divided by 1 minus into minus plus 2. Therefore, z is equal to, z is a complex number, 3 plus 6 root 2I divided by 1 plus 2 is 3. Divide term by term divide ಮಾಡಿ 3 by 3 plus 6 root 2I divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 twos are. Z is equal to 1 plus 2 root 2I. Clearly it is in the form. ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು? It is in the form what? A plus IB. A plus IB. What is A value? 1. B value? 2 root 2. So these are the problems in the form of A plus IB. Okay, clear students? Okay. Next, main problem number 2. Next problem number 2. ಏನಿದೆ? Find the multiplicative inverse of first one 4 minus 3i, second one root 5 plus 3i, third one minus I, fourth one 2 minus 3i. Now that is important sum. They may ask in final exam. That is 2 mark question. Each question carries 2 mark. Very simple problem. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following complex number. Okay. Now first problem is 4 minus 3i. Look here. How to solve? First problem. Let z is a given data, 4 minus 3i is a complex number. Now the question to find the multiplicative inverse. Inverse z inverse. Read it as z inverse, z power minus 1. However, what is the meaning of z power minus 1? 1 divided by z. That is equal to 1 divided by, what is that value? 4 minus 3i. Right? Now to convert given data in the form of A plus IB form, how to convert? Rationalize the denominator part. What is conjugate of complex number? 4 plus 3i divided by 4 plus 3i. Okay. Now that is equal to 1 into 4 plus 3i is 4 plus 3i divided by, in the denominator it is in the form A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B formula, A square minus B square. A square 4 square minus B square 3i whole square, that is 4 plus 3i divided by 4 square 16 minus 3 square 9 into I square, that is 4 plus 3i divided by 16 minus 9. I square value minus 1 because I is equal to root minus 1. Its square root cancel, minus 1. Therefore z inverse is equal to 4 plus 3i divided by 16 minus into minus plus 9. that is 4 plus 3i divided by 16 plus 9, 25, divided term by term, z inverse is equal to 4 by 25 plus I into 3 by 25. This is the multiplicative inverse of 4 minus 3i. ನೋಡಿ 4 minus 3i multiplicative inverse ಏನು 4 by 25 plus I into 3 by 25. Okay. Similarly, second problem, same type. Let z is a complex number given root 5 plus 3i. Write the multiplicative inverse to find z inverse. Z inverse is same as 1 by z, meaning of z power minus 1 is 1 by z, that equals 1 by z value root 5 plus 3i. It is in the form 1 by a plus ib. Now rationalize the denominator part to convert given data in the form of a plus ib. So then rationalize, ಛೇದನವನ್ನು ಅಕರ್ಣೀಕರಿಸಿ, rationalize. What is its conjugate of the complex number? Root 5 minus 3i divided by root 5 minus 3i, right? Therefore z inverse is equal to 1 into root 5 minus 3i, root 5 minus 3i divided by a plus b into a minus b formula. A plus b into a minus b is equal to what? A square minus b square. What is a square? A value root 5 to the power of 2. B square 3i to the power of 2. Right? Simplify. Root 5 minus 3i divided by root 5 square 5 minus 3 square is 9 into I square. That equals root 5 minus 3i divided by 5 minus 9 I square. I value root minus 1. Its square root cancel minus 1. That is root 5 minus 3i divided by 5 minus into minus plus 9. That equals root 5 minus 3i divided by 5 plus 9, 14. Therefore, z inverse, multiplicative inverse, divide term by term divide by term, root 5 by 14, right? Minus 3 by 14 into I. Minus can be written as plus I into minus 3 by 14. Plus into minus. Now this is the multiplicative inverse of the complex number root 5 plus 3i. Okay. Whereas third question, find the multiplicative inverse of minus I. To find multiplicative inverse, z inverse, meaning of z power minus 1 is 1 by z, right? That is 1 by z value given minus I. Now convert 1 by minus I in the form a plus I the complex number form. So how to convert it? Rationalize the denominator. What is its conjugate? Conjugate of minus I is plus I divided by plus I. The conjugate is minus its conjugate is plus I divided by plus I. Simplify. 1 into I divided by minus I into I square. Okay, that is I divided by minus I square value minus 1. That is I divided by minus into minus plus 1. I by minus 1 is I. I can be written as 0 plus I into 1. Therefore, multiplicative inverse, z inverse is equal to simply I, or we can write 0 plus 1 into I. So I is the multiplicative inverse of minus I. Okay. Now one more problem. ಯಾವುದು find the multiplicative inverse of. ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಬಿಡಿಸಬೇಕು. z is equal to 2 minus 3i. To find multiplicative inverse, z inverse. What is meaning of z inverse? 1 divided by z, right? That equals 1 divided by z value 2 minus 3i. Now convert 1 by 2 minus 3i in the form a plus ib form. How to convert? Rationalize the denominator. What is conjugate of this complex number? You know the definition of conjugate. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus ಇದರ conjugate ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Plus 2 plus 3i divided by 2 plus 3i, right? Now simplify. 1 into 2 plus 3i, 2 plus 3i divided by in the denominator it is in the form a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b formula a square a rest ಇದೆ 2 square minus b square 3i whole power 2 that is equal to 2 plus 3i divided by 2 square 4 minus 3 square 9 into I square. So 2 plus 3i divided by 4 minus 9 into I square is minus 1. Correct? Then further simplify. That is equal to 2 plus 3i divided by minus into minus plus 4 plus 9. How much? 13. Divide term by term. 2 by 13 plus 3 by 13 into I. So this is the multiplicative inverse of the complex number 2 minus 3i. Important sum. They may be asked in final exam. Okay. So first part ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರತಕ್ಕಂತ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ a plus ib ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ 12 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. Second main problem number 2 to find the multiplicative inverse of the following complex number. ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ದ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? How to calculate you know. Okay. So next last problem number 3, that is by using polar form of complex number. ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? Every complex number x plus iy can be represented in the form r into bracket cos theta plus I sin theta. That form is known as polar form or trigonometric form of complex number. ಕೊಟ್ಟಂತ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. Okay, so next class we will discuss about based on polar form of complex number. Okay students, thank you.